BlackRock CEO's insights and calls for de-dollarization provide a forecast for the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is at $30,543, having dropped by almost 1% on Thursday. Notably, BlackRock's acclaimed CEO Larry Fink has endorsed Bitcoin and acknowledged its potential to transform the financial sector. Bitcoin is still up 1% for the week despite its recent fall, underscoring its tenacity and persistent market interest. A growing number of people are also calling for the de-dollarization of the world economy, with Bitcoin being viewed as a potential substitute for the dollar as a store of value. Examining the effects of BlackRock's observations and the escalating calls for de-dollarization on Bitcoin's price and prospects in this setting is crucial. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink thinks Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize finance. The CEO of BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, Larry Fink, described Bitcoin as a worldwide asset that serves as a digital equivalent of gold in an engrossing interview on July 5. Fink advises investors to consider Bitcoin as a traditional inflation hedge rather than gold because it also provides protection against currency devaluation. In the interview, Fink also emphasizes Bitcoin's function as a global asset and an open-access store of wealth, as well as BlackRock's commitment to fostering optimism. Fink positions BlackRock as a ray of light in the financial environment by linking his business with the most popular cryptocurrency and presenting Bitcoin as a safe substitute for gold and other fiat currencies. BlackRock has been actively seeking the launch of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, under Fink's direction, with Coinbase partnering to provide monitoring. Given that earlier applications were denied, it is still unclear whether the Securities and Exchange Commission will accept the proposed BTC ETF. However, Fink's supportive comments regarding Bitcoin have assisted in preventing further drops in the cryptocurrency's price. Iranian president requests dollarization of the euro at SCO summit. Iran's president, Ebrahim Raisi, has argued in favor of the de-dollarization, saying that any effort to shape a fair international system requires the abolition of the US dollar. The Iranian president emphasized that the Western system of domination has been built on the dominance of the dollar. The Islamic Republic of Iran welcomes the implementation of financial payment systems based on modern technology to facilitate financial transactions between members and business partners, particularly in multilateral frameworks. During the conference, both Chinese President Xi Jinping and Russian President Vladimir Putin promoted the use of national currencies in trade deals. Putin asserts that more than 80% of trade between Russia and China is conducted in both Chinese yuan and Russian rubles. The US dollar suffered as a result of this negative headline, which ultimately helped Bitcoin prices find support. Price prediction for Bitcoin. Although there is resistance in the $31,000 range, Bitcoin is now holding just above it at about $31,050. On the daily timescale, a bullish engulfing candle suggests the possibility of a positive trend. The next target for Bitcoin, if it rises above the $31,350 resistance, may be $32,500 or possibly $34,150. Positive sentiment is indicated by technical indicators like the RSI and MACD, and the upward trend is supported by the 50-day exponential moving average. A slide towards $28,650 or perhaps lower to $27,900 is possible if the immediate support levels of $30,500 and $29,650 are broken. Monitoring the $31,000 mark is essential for spotting a potential Bitcoin purchasing trend.